Everyone, Jeff here, and today I want to talk to you about staying on track with your diet. Now, this week I have done awesome, all right? Stayed on track with my diet, looking good, but we're heading into the weekend, and the weekend is always where my diet totally falls apart. This weekend, we want to be different, all right? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to throw it on the grill this weekend, get you some brats, get you some bunless burgers, throw some bacon on it, cheese, onions, make it a great bunless burger, right? However, the other thing I want you to do is above, all right, I basically have 5 side items. Try some of these great side items out. You're gonna get your vegetables in, but we're gonna stay low carb. And let me tell you what, if you fix it the way these recipes show, they are delicious, all right? So, try these side items, stay on track with your diet, and keep that scale going in the right direction.